11 fuel mistakes, quietly killing your engine, and 5 ways to protect it. Most gasoline sold in the US doesn't meet the higher top-tier detergent standard recommended by major automakers. According to AAA testing, non-top-tier fuel can create up to 19 times more intake valve deposits. Those deposits slowly choke your engine from the inside. Some stations have even been caught blending industrial waste into gasoline and selling it to unsuspecting drivers. And the fuel habit you think is saving money? It might be the reason your engine fails years earlier than it should. If you're filling up in 2025, what you're about to learn could save your engine and your wallet from a disaster you'll only notice when it's too late. Today, we're counting down 11 fuel mistakes quietly destroying engines across America, backed by AAA research, EPA enforcement records, and real mechanic experience. Then I'll reveal 5 proven strategies to protect your engine, the same habits that helped my F-150 survive past 375,000 miles without major fuel system failures. Let's get started. If you want to avoid pumping engine-damaging fuel into your car, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. And if you're early to this video, use the hype feature to push this information to more drivers before they make expensive mistakes. Number 11. Assuming all gas is the same. This is the biggest misconception on the road today. Drivers see different station signs but assume the fuel is identical. It isn't. There are 2 levels of gasoline in the US. 1. EPA minimum detergent requirements. 2. Top tier, the higher standard created by automakers tired of seeing carbon buildup ruin engines. AAA testing showed a massive difference. Non-top tier fuels built up deposits 19x faster. Those deposits cause rough idling, poor mileage, sluggish acceleration, and eventually costly repairs. A few cents per gallon difference becomes hundreds or thousands over tens of thousands of miles. Assuming all gas is the same is mistake number 11. And the next mistake is one almost all drivers make. Number 10. Never checking if your station is top-tier certified. Most drivers don't know this. There's a public list of top-tier certified gas stations: Chevron, Shell, Costco, Exxon, and many others. But not every station is on it. Certification means the station uses a stronger detergent package. Stations without certification only meet the bare minimum EPA standard. And according to AAA, that means more carbon and more engine wear. I've opened engines from cars fueled at the same cheap station for years, everyone coated in thick black carbon. Drivers thought they were saving money, but the engine told a different story. A 10-second search can save you from years of damage. Not checking is mistake number 10. Number 9. Chasing the cheapest price. Every time gas is expensive, so it's tempting to always choose the lowest price. But that discount can hide real risks. Stations that compete purely on price may cut costs in 1. Detergent levels, 2. Tank maintenance, 3. Fuel sourcing. None of these cause immediate danger, but the long-term effects add up. Sticky injectors, carbon buildup, reduced fuel efficiency. Saving 10-15 cents per gallon adds up to maybe $150 per year. One injector job costs up to $200. That wipes out any savings for years. You don't need the most expensive fuel, just avoid consistently picking the absolute cheapest. That's mistake number 9. But wait until you hear what happens when drivers ignore the fuel warning signs their car is already giving them. Number 8. Ignoring early warning signs of bad fuel. Your car speaks. You just have to listen. Symptoms of bad fuel include rough idle, hesitation while accelerating, temporary check engine lights after a fill-up, knocking or pinging. These can come from water contamination, sediment from aging tanks, off-spec ethanol blending. One bad tank won't destroy your engine, but months of bad tanks will. The real mistake is ignoring the symptoms and returning to the same station. Pay attention to fill-up patterns. If every problem starts after fueling at one place, that's your sign. Number 7. Using lower octane than your engine requires. This one confuses a lot of drivers. If your manual says premium required, using regular isn't saving you money, it's stressing your engine. NOx sensors can adjust timing, but that adjustment reduces power, increases heat, and speeds up long-term wear. If your manual says premium recommended, then regular is safe, though performance may drop. But required means required. Ignoring that is mistake number 7. Number 6. Letting your tank run near empty. Regularly running your tank low is more dangerous than most people realize. Why? 1. Fuel pumps rely on gasoline for cooling. Low fuel, Josh, hot pump, Josh, early failure. 2. Sediment collects at the bottom of the tank. Running low pulls that debris into your fuel system. A fuel pump replacement runs $500, $1,000. Keeping your tank above 1 to 4 costs nothing extra. You're buying the same fuel either way. Running near empty too often is mistake number 6. Coming up, the additive mistake wasting millions of dollars and the scandal that landed a major company in federal court. Number 5. Buying fuel additives. Instead of better fuel parts, stores sell shelves of additives promising better performance, cleaner injectors, or more power. Most drivers don't need them because top-tier fuel already contains strong detergent packages. Additives can help if you already have deposits, but they're not a substitute for good fuel. The best strategy is simple. Spend money on better gasoline, not bottles claiming miracles. Buying additives instead of improving fuel quality is mistake number 5. Number 4. Assuming brand name equals quality. A big brand does not guarantee superior fuel. A lesser-known brand does not guarantee poor fuel. Top-tier certification is what matters. Costco, for instance, is consistently one of the highest-rated top-tier fuels, even though people think of it as cheap warehouse gas. Meanwhile, some major regional brands with fancy marketing aren't top-tier at all. Don't trust the logo. Trust the certification. That's mistake number 4. Number 3. Not knowing about fuel supply chain. Issues. Fuel passes through a complicated supply chain, refineries, pipelines, terminals, and delivery trucks. Problems can occur at any step. And in rare cases, those problems turn criminal. Pilot Flying J, one of America's biggest truck stop chains, faced a massive fraud case in 2013. Another company, Lamb Fuels, was charged with blending hazardous industrial waste into gasoline and selling it to unsuspecting stations. These cases show how vulnerable fuel quality can be. Buying from reputable top-tier retailers reduces your risk dramatically. Not understanding this reality is mistake number 3. The next 2 mistakes are quietly damaging engines right now, and the effects won't show up for years. Number 2. Ignoring ethanol content and your vehicle's tolerance. Most gas contains E10, which is safe for modern vehicles. But E15 is becoming more available, and it's not approved for vehicles older than 2001. It can damage seals, gaskets, and fuel lines not designed for higher ethanol. Even worse, some drivers accidentally fill E85, flex fuel only, into cars not built for it. Always check pump labels. Use the ethanol level your engine is designed for. Ignoring ethanol compatibility is mistake number 2. Chapter 1. Never getting professional fuel system service. Even with perfect habits, some deposits are unavoidable. Fuel filters clog. Injectors wear. That's why automakers recommend professional fuel system service every 30,000, 60,000 miles. A proper service includes injector cleaning, intake valve cleaning, fuel pressure checks, filter replacement where applicable. It usually costs $150, $300, but skipping it can lead to $800, $2,000 injector replacements, $500, $1,000 valve cleaning, $500, $1,000 fuel pump replacements. Skipping fuel system maintenance entirely is mistake number 1. Now you know what hurts your fuel system, so let's talk about how to protect it. These next 5 strategies are simple, affordable, and proven over hundreds of thousands of miles. And strategy number 1? It's the most important, and it costs absolutely nothing. Number 5. Keep your tank above a quarter full. Never let your tank regularly drop below 1/4. This protects your fuel pump, keeps sediment away from injectors, and gives you flexibility if a station looks questionable. Same fuel cost, just better timing. Number 4. Use top-tier fuel as your default make, top-tier your baseline. Costco, Shell, Chevron, ExxonMobil, BP, and many regional brands are certified. AAA research proves the benefit. Fewer deposits, cleaner valves, better long-term performance. A few cents more per gallon is nothing compared to engine repairs. Number 3. Pay attention. After every fill-up, notice how the engine behaves after fueling. If performance dips, idle becomes rough, or the check engine light flickers after fill-ups, the station may have contamination or maintenance problems. Trust your car? Change stations. Number 2. Match octane to your engine's requirements. Use the octane your manual specifies. 87 for regular engines. 91-93 if premium is required. If premium is recommended, you can test both and choose. Don't guess, follow the engineering. Number 1. Schedule fuel system service at mileage intervals. Every 30,000, 50,000 miles, get a full fuel system service. This is real preventive maintenance, not an upsell. Injector cleaning, valve cleaning, pressure testing, filter replacement, it's all cheaper than major repairs later. Which fuel mistake surprised you the most? Share your story in the comments. Your experience might save someone else's engine. And check out our next video, The Fuel Myths Destroying Modern Engines. Number 4 will shock anyone who's ever been told to run the tank low to clean it out.